Hello, my name is Kristian and I will now present our newest school project. It's an automatic door system which unlocks and locks via RFID tags, and I will now present the system. Yes, first I will present the front of it. The front consists of a ordinary lock from a real door and a RFID reader, which we bought over the internet, and and in the back, there's a servo which communicates with the Arduino, which reads the RFID reader and then sends the output to the servo. Okay, I'll now show you a quick demonstration. First of all, I want to show you that neither of the RFID tags works. Yeah, doesn't do anything. And you can see it just prints the number on the terminal. Okay, then I'll take the MasterCard, which we have programmed to be the MasterCard, and then I'll put it in front of the reader. And then you can see it prints out that it's now in programming mode. Okay, then I take a RFID tag, put it in front, and then you can see it. Then it stores it in its memory. So now it's remember this key. Now we'll see if it works. Now you see it unlocks the door. Now it locks the door, and you can see it also prints it on the terminal. Okay, if I want to use another one, I simply just take my MasterCard again, put it in front, and thereby put it in programming mode, and then take my next card, and now I can unlock and lock the door. But I can still use my old one, but not this one because I haven't programmed it yet. Okay, now for instance, if I drop my key or it gets stolen, instead of changing every lock in the house, I can just take my MasterCard, put it in programming mode, and then use it again. And now it erases the memory. Okay, you can see neither of them works.
UCHolstebro production.